Think a tractor has to be a giant smoke-belching beast to get the work done? Think again. Today we're counting down 10 of the most adorable tractors in history that are surprisingly powerful. From the quirky grasshopper to the hot rod of the heartland, these machines might look like vintage toys, but they pack the muscle to plow, till, and outwork rivals twice their size. Ready to see why these tiny titans rule the field? Let's dive into 10 adorable tractors that are actually cute but capable. Number 10. Gibson Model D. Think this is just a toy? Think again. Meet the Gibson Model D, the 1940s legend from Colorado that proves size is absolutely deceiving. It's the ultimate definition of small but mighty. At first glance, it looks like a vintage go-kart, but beneath that minimalist steel frame beats the heart of a relentless workhorse. But here's the real plot twist. Look closely. There is no steering wheel. That's right. You command this beast with a unique tiller lever on the right. Push forward to go left, pull back to go right. It feels less like driving a tractor and more like piloting a miniature tank. Don't let the cute looks fool you. The specs are dead serious. The heart, a rugged Wisconsin AEH single-cylinder engine, churning out a punchy 10 horsepower. The muscle, nearly 1,000 pounds of solid cast iron and steel, giving it insane traction for its tiny footprint. The endurance. Believe it or not, this adorable machine can plow through 3 acres of tough soil in a single 10-hour shift. With those iconic high-clearance rear tires, adjustable from 33 to 53 inches, it weaves through crop rows with surgical precision. No hood, no fenders, just raw mechanical grit. The Gibson Model D isn't just a collector's dream. It's a tiny titan that proved you don't need to be big to be legendary. Cute? Absolutely. Capable? You bet it is. Number 9. Ford Model 8N. If there was a Hall of Fame for adorable workhorses, the Ford Model 8N would take center stage. This isn't just a tractor. It's arguably the most beloved machine in North American history. Produced between 1947 and 1952, over 500,000 of these beauties rolled off the line, turning every small farm into a powerhouse. With its iconic gray hood and striking red chassis, it looks less like a machine and more like a loyal member of the family. But don't let that friendly, compact face fool you. The 8N was built to revolutionize farming forever. Its secret weapon? The legendary Ferguson 3-point hitch with position control. This meant this cute little guy could lift and command heavy implements with the precision of a modern surgeon. Under that vintage hood purrs a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter gasoline engine, delivering a solid 23 to 27 horsepower, more than enough to outwork machines twice its size. Unlike its predecessors, the 8N was upgraded with a 4-speed transmission, giving it the versatility to crawl through thick mud or cruise down a dirt path with ease. Weighing over 2,400 pounds, it's a heavyweight champion in a middleweight body. Reliable, affordable, and stubbornly durable. Thousands of them are still working in fields today, nearly 80 years later. Small enough to love, but tough enough to conquer the earth? That is the legendary Ford 8N. Number 8. Minneapolis Moline BF. Meet the Minneapolis Moline Model BF. A tractor that proves looking adorable is just a cover for being incredibly tough. Produced between 1951 and 1954, after acquired the BF Avery Company, this machine is a rare transition icon. Wrapped in that signature prairie gold paint with vibrant red wheels, it's a head-turner that brings a splash of sunshine to any field. But don't let the bright colors fool you. This compact beast was built for the grind in the toughest southern farms. Underneath its sleek, narrow frame sits a liquid-cooled Hercules Mweku X3SL 4-cylinder engine, pumping out a surprising 27 horsepower at the PTO. Weighing nearly 3,000 pounds, the BF is surprisingly heavy for its size, giving it the gutsy traction needed to pull hay balers and heavy plows for hours on end without breaking a sweat. Its secret to success? the true draft hydraulic system, allowing for smooth surgical precision during cultivation. What makes it truly special is its versatility. With 3 different front-end options, it could weave through tight orchards where massive tractors simply couldn't fit. With only about 7,600 units ever produced, finding one today is like discovering buried treasure. It's small, it's golden, and it's a verified powerhouse that refuses to quit. The Minneapolis Moline BF, a rare, tiny gladiator that truly gets the job done. Number 7. Allis-Chalmers Model B. Get ready for the tractor that single-handedly fired the horse from American farms. Meet the Allis-Chalmers Model B, a tiny revolution in Persian orange. Produced from 1937 to 1957, this isn't just a machine, it's a design masterpiece by the legendary Brooks Stevens. With its sleek curves and vibrant color, it was the first tractor to bring style to the field, looking more like a vintage car than farm equipment. But don't let that stylish, adorable exterior fool you. This compact beast was built to outwork anything on 4 legs. What makes it a capable legend? It was the first tractor designed exclusively for rubber tires. No steel wheels here. Its unique torque tube frame creates a narrow waist, giving the driver a perfect, unobstructed view of the crops below. Under the hood, its 2.0-liter engine delivers a punchy 22.5 horsepower, generating over 1,500 pounds of drawbar pull. That's enough muscle to outhaul competitors nearly twice its size. Launched for under $500, it brought power to millions of small farmers. Weighing just 2,060 pounds, it's agile for tight orchards, but rugged for all-day field work. The Allis-Chalmers Model B, a fashionable orange powerhouse that changed farming forever. Small, stylish, and unstoppable. Number 6. John Deere Model L. Meet the John Deere Model L, the smallest, most unique machine to ever wear the iconic green and yellow. Produced from 1937 to 1946, this pocket-sized marvel was a bold mission to bring mechanical power to the tiniest family farms. It's so compact that you can literally haul it in the back of a pickup truck. With its engine pushed far to the front in a slim frame, it looks more like a high-end mechanical toy than a rugged farmhand. But don't let that minimalist design fool you. The Model L was a certified horse killer. Engineered to match a horse's speed but with tireless stamina, early versions featured a 2-cylinder Hercules engine, delivering around 10 horsepower of pure grit. Weighing just 1,515 pounds, this lightweight champion can pull a 12-inch plow through tough soil without breaking a sweat. With a bulletproof 3-speed transmission and a solid cast-iron frame, this machine was built to last for generations. Its wide front axle allows it to weave through narrow vegetable rows with surgical precision where bigger tractors would crush the crops. The Model L is the ultimate proof that you don't need a massive engine to do massive work. It's small, it's iconic, and it's a tiny titan that truly gets the job done. Number 5. Case V A-Series. Step aside for the flambeau red firecracker of the 1940s. Meet the Case V A-Series, a light-duty legend produced from 1942 to 1953. With its stunning Art Deco styling, rounded hood, and vertical grille, the VA is often called one of the most beautiful tractors ever made. It's small, perfectly proportioned, and looks like a stylish, miniature version of the giants of the era. But don't let that sleek, sophisticated look fool you. This machine was built for the heavy grind of family farm life. Under that vibrant orange-red paint lies a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, churning out a solid 21 horsepower. But the real game changer arrived in 1949, the legendary Eagle hitch. This was one of the first 3-point hitches that allowed farmers to swap heavy implements without ever leaving their seats. Specialized versions like the VAO were even built with low profiles to glide under orchard branches without damaging a single leaf. Weighing up to 3,300 pounds, it's a bulletproof workhorse designed to run forever with minimal maintenance. The Case V A-Series isn't just a collector's jewel, it's a high-tech rebel that brought industrial power to the small farmer's backyard. Artistic, iconic, and incredibly capable, Number 4. Silver King Model 42. Ever seen a tractor that thinks it's a sports car? Meet the Silver King Model 42, a rare silver and red gem from Plymouth, Ohio, that redefined speed in the 1940s. With its aerodynamic design and sleek metallic finish, it looks more like a luxury vintage automobile than a muddy farmhand. Its slim, adorable profile makes it a star in any collection, but don't let the shiny silver paint fool you. This machine was built for extreme performance. What makes it a capable legend? Speed. While other tractors of its era crawled at a snail's pace, the Silver King was a literal rocket on the field. Thanks to its Continental F162 engine and a specialized gearbox, this 2,000-pound beast could hit road speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. It was so fast that highway departments used it as a high-speed mower to zip between jobs. But it's not all about speed. Underneath that cute exterior is a frame built like a tank, crafted with heavy-duty cast steel. It can pull a 14-inch two-bottom plow with ease, delivering up to 36 horsepower of raw grit. Even its steering is unique, a quirky gear and chain system mounted right in front of the radiator for surgical precision. The Silver King Model 42 is a masterpiece of engineering that combined the soul of a race car with the heart of a tractor. Fast, silver, and fiercely capable. Number 3. Economy Power King. Coming in at number 3 is a machine that looks like a friendly garden helper, but hides the soul of a heavy-duty bulldozer. Meet the Economy Power King, the Wisconsin-born legend that dominated the small tractor world from 1946 for nearly half a century. With its bright hunter orange paint and compact man-sized frame, it looks undeniably adorable. But don't let its cheerful exterior fool you. This machine was built to a standard that puts modern garden tractors to shame. What makes it a capable beast? While most small tractors rely on flimsy belts, the Power King is all gear driven. It uses an automotive-style transmission and differential, meaning there's zero belt slip when the going gets tough. Under the hood, it packs a rugged single-cylinder engine from names like Kohler or Briggs & Stratton, delivering up to 18 horsepower of pure, unadulterated torque. The real secret weapon? Many models feature dual transmissions, giving you ultra-low crawling speeds for maximum pulling power. Weighing up to 1,200 pounds, this tiny titan stays glued to the ground. Whether it's plowing deep soil, tilling, or pushing heavy snow with its 3-point hitch system. It's built like a tank, looks like a gem, and is easy to repair with basic tools. The Economy Power King isn't just a tool, it's a family heirloom that refuses to quit. Small in size, but a king on the field. Number 2. Allis-Chalmers Model G. Get ready to meet the Grasshopper, the most bizarrely brilliant tractor ever to hit the dirt. The Allis-Chalmers Model G is a design revolution that turns everything you know about tractors upside down. Produced from 1948 to 1955, it looks less like a farm machine and more like a vintage go-kart. With its engine and radiator hidden entirely behind the driver on an open tubular frame, it has a minimalist charm that is undeniably adorable. But make no mistake, this quirky little bug was a specialized genius in the field. Why is it so capable? By moving the engine to the rear, the driver gets a 100% unobstructed view of the ground. This allows for surgical precision, letting farmers cultivate crops within millimeters. Under the rear hood sits a Continental N62 4-cylinder engine, paired with a specialized creeper gear for ultra-slow, meticulous work. Weighing just 1,285 pounds, it's the ultimate lightweight specialist for nurseries and vegetable rows. Its design was so ahead of its time that modern companies are still building electric versions based on this exact blueprint today. It's a tiny orange masterpiece that proved you don't need a massive front end to be a heavy hitter. Small, strange, and absolutely unstoppable. Number 1. Farmall Model A. Finally, at number 1, we have the undisputed champion of the cute but capable world, the Farmall Model A. Produced by International Harvester from 1939 to 1947, this vibrant red icon didn't just work the land, it revolutionized how farmers saw their crops. With its sleek styling by the legendary Raymond Loewy, it's a masterpiece of mid-century design. But its adorable asymmetric look isn't just for show, it's the secret to its incredible productivity. The real showstopper is the Culti-Vision design. By shifting the engine to the left and the driver to the right, Farmall gave farmers a perfect, straight-down view of the crop rows. No more leaning over the side to see where you're plowing. Under that Farmall red hood sits a liquid-cooled C113 four-cylinder engine, delivering 18 horsepower, enough muscle to handle a 14-inch plow and manage up to 30 acres with ease. Weighing 2,400 pounds, it features a versatile rear axle that adjusts from 40 to 68 inches, making it the ultimate specialist for any row spacing. With a 4-speed transmission hitting up to 10 miles per hour, it's fast, agile, and stubbornly durable. Over 117,000 were built, and their simple bulletproof engineering keeps them running today. Small, offset, and brilliant, the Farmall Model A is the ultimate tiny titan that mechanized the world. There you have it, 10 tiny powerhouses that prove big things really do come in small packages. Whether it's the iconic Farmall Red or the stylish Allis-Chalmers Orange, these tractors didn't just save the farm, they captured our hearts. Which one of these adorable legends was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing agricultural icons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next field. Keep farming and stay capable.